Wow, has it been a minute? Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, it has been a pretty minute, probably about a month at least since I have last uploaded. Reason is because it is my working season right now. If you don't know, I actually own a landscaping company, so I've been at it every morning, going at it hard, and it's fun. I love doing it, so that's why I have not been able to make videos about this guy right here. Now, I don't know how long you've actually been watching the channel for, but if you have been watching it for a while, you know we were having some problems with it. Well, actually the biggest problem that I almost talked about every single video was the freeze plug leak that was behind the motor mount on my engine, and we cannot get to it. We can't do anything like that in my neighborhood because it's ran by HOA, and quite honestly, I did not want to pay somebody to do it because the whole point of this truck is I did it all. Didn't pay nobody to do nothing. I've done everything from bottom to top on this thing. If you've never been on my channel before, it is a 1995 F-150. It's got the lowsy 5.0 302 in it. Nothing fancy. 6-inch rough country suspension lift, 3-inch body lift. Okay, I'm getting off track here. Let me just say it's fixed. The leak is fixed, all because of this right here. I don't know what they put in that stuff. I don't honestly want to know what they put in that stuff. I just know that it worked and it stopped the leak completely, and I have not had a problem with overheating anywhere like people have said. In the comments below on anywhere you look that stuff up. And my dad's about to start his truck. Pretty loud. It's supercharged, so if y'all guys want to see any videos about his truck, just let me know. But yeah, guys, literally that Blue Devil stuff literally fixed my truck. Like, I literally right after I put the stuff in there, I went on like a 2-hour long little road trip thing to this place called Hidden Falls, which is a off-roading park. So not only did I drive 2 hours away with that stuff on with no leak, I also went off-roading. Everything was completely fine. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're just looking for a quick fix. Now, I saw stuff where people were saying older trucks, it clogs up the engine as a whole, but in my case, the truck's been taken care of its whole life. It only has 130,000 miles on it. I was like, why not send it? Why not use it? If the engine blows anyways, I got bigger and better plans for it down the road anyways. But I really just wanted to make this video real quick and tell y'all that this thing is actually fixed, which is freaking awesome. Here's a little roller right here of his. It's also cammed, obviously. Okay then. So freaking loud. Wow. He's actually getting a muffler to make it quieter because it's so loud. He doesn't like how loud it is. He just got a whole new exhaust set up on it. He's about to get a E85 tune and some other stuff. I don't even know. But you might have heard that blow off valve when he took off too. But this truck also has not been started in a while itself. So I figured that would be something we could do in this video, is just get a nice little cold start. So that is what we'll do. And if y'all wonder about the headlights, how they're holding up, perfectly fine. Not a single problem with them. I freaking love them, and a lot of y'all also love them. They get so much attention with these things. All right, enough talking, cold start. I guess I don't really know if you call it a cold start because it's like 80 degrees, but you get the point. I'm gonna get my mom to actually video this. Thank you, Mom, if you're watching this right now. Let me go ahead and get this key in there and get it started. I'll let y'all listen to it now, and then whenever it idles down. Ouch. I don't know why those little rock lights keep blinking green. It's weird, they're not even on. Oh, there's the idle down. Now, I've been thinking about doing this. I figured I'll go ahead and ask y'all what y'all think about it, and I'll definitely make a video about it because that'll be really cool video. I don't have any cats on there, I guess you could say, but I actually do. I actually have one on there because it's illegal if you don't, but I did figure out there's ways that you don't have to have one here in Texas if it's over 25 years old, which this one obviously is. So if y'all want to see a video where I take that cat completely out and just move the tube up and literally just weld it back on there and see if it gets any louder, y'all let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, one more little thing I guess we could do is I'll just set my camera down on the ground here and I'll just rev it up a few times. All right, now it's time to go inside before someone calls the cops. But yeah, guys, I really just wanted to go ahead and pick up the camera because like I said, it's been a month, and tell y'all, for the people that were wondering, because I have a lot of people asking all the time, still to this day, if I ever fix that leak. So yeah, I just want to let y'all guys know that I actually care and wanted to know. It is finally fixed, and figured I'll give you a few red lines. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna actually go ahead and wrap up this video. Like I said, quick, short, to the point. I will be trying to make more videos more often now, and hopefully y'all guys enjoy like landscaping stuff. You probably won't, mostly just mowing and stuff. If y'all guys want to see videos on that, on just like my everyday stuff, please drop a comment down below and let me know. We'll get the GoPros and everything like that, and we'll also make my 2021 landscaping setup if y'all want to see that as well. I think it's pretty neat. We actually just got a new mower yesterday, but that's besides the point. If y'all guys want to see that video, drop it down in the comments below. But other than that, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.